If you downloaded the package, whether for Mac or Windows, so you're gonna be provided with two versions. One is the VST that you could directly put it in your VST folder, and your DAW will automatically recognize it and add it to your workflow. The other version is the standalone version, which I'm using now on my Mac. I thought maybe it's good we could have a tour together about the functionalities and the behavior of the software. So as you see on top, we do have this top bar, which consists of the presets. Basically, you could access your presets. There are some factory presets we built for us, plus you have your own user presets that you could save and load easily from the top bar. And there is basically init button there that you could just click, and the preset will be resetting to the natural position or the saved position of the preset. The big thing here is our moon. We are talking to the moon, and when you click on the moon, it randomly generates some settings for you within the space component and also on the other components. So I really recommend, just bet your luck and, give it a try. Give some random shots on that. I'm sure that you're going to enjoy that. It's going to make amazing sounds. So on the other hand, if you see to the right, we have our menu. We have basically light and dark mode, and we do have the bypass mode. If you are looking to work with Talk Moonshine on a chain, with the other components on your DAW, just click bypass anytime you want to ignore the whole plugin. Next to the left, this is actually our first filter, which is actually you have the presets of that right now on it's on low pass, 12 decibels, and basically you have full control of that. Go ahead and enjoy playing with it. It basically reflects the passing filter. Next, we have actually one of our very fundamental components that we have on our plugin, which is our harmony engine. So you have the access to basically the whole scales, and also we set up for you the scale set, and also basically tonality could be managed from there, and again it really reflects onto the space component. So this is actually one of our fundamental components, which is the harmonizers. Oh, welcome to the big one. So this is actually the Moonspace. The Moonspace component is actually designed to give you a freedom to basically put any part of your components in the system to go through the width or size, actually. So easily with the mouse you could control all these spheres, each of them giving you a liberty to play with the dimension and the size of the sound. Again, I'll leave it to you guys to just explore it, because it's beyond words. So you should definitely try it. One thing, I was just experimenting. One thing actually, it really works for me is that I with my left hand, you know, I was just doing some basically tapping, or you know, I was doing some hammer on and pull offs, and with my right hand, basically I was just playing with this component, so just a hammer on and pull off, and you know, I was changing the dimension of the sound, and it was amazing. Please give it a try. I hope you're gonna enjoy it. Next one, actually, this is the or mix component that you could actually have a mix of wet and dry the way that you really need it to sound like. And basically we do have this option here as well to kill the dry totally. Equalizer, there are some presets that you could play with, but you know, a very standard low, mid, and high equalizer is there for you to just mix the way you want it. Here is actually our in and out and gain level. Again, standard, you know, to fit to your basically workflow and the way you want to manage. Okay, so on the bottom row we have actually effects toolkit. So we have actually several effects that you could easily work with them. These are the components that you are seeing it on already on your space. So you could set up a very basically fundamental way that you want those effects to sound like. Then you play it on your space controller. Here basically we do have MIDI sync and basically DAW lock delays. This is actually very good feature that we have in our VST, so it really works on a professional level. And thank you very much. I mean, as the word said, these are basically just let's say components that needs to be given life. You know, they are just right now there for you, but you're gonna bring them to life, and you're gonna make amazing sound with that. Really appreciate that you watch this video, and any comment, any basically offer that you have to make this better would be really appreciated. So we are there for you to make it better and to the next level. I hope you guys enjoy it, and cheers. Have a great moon time.